Good morning, guys. I don't know what's happening to my camera. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday the 15th. It's Manuel's birthday. Oh my god, guys, the lighting here is everything, and I don't remember if I have been showing my daily outfits on here with you so you can see everything I'm wearing to Mexico. But don't worry, you can just head over to my Instagram, which is where I have all the beautiful photos. So I have my head wrapped because this is a new wig. It hasn't quite adjusted to my head the way that I would like it to. So I usually wash my wigs first and kind of like shape them the way that I want to, but even so they still need like a few more washes before they kind of like, you know, get used to your head, get the parting correct. I'm doing middle parting again because I am obsessed. It's funny, I just started doing parting last year. I've always been a side parting kind of girl, and now I am obsessed. I can never go back to side parting. Maybe I'll do it like once in a while, but to go back to it, not really. How beautiful my earrings. They're from Mango. I got them. This one has a pearl in there. It's so beautiful. Got them at the end of the year. But I'm wearing this off-shoulder top, shorts, nothing crazy really. Just the basic vacation outfit with my J.Crew flats. These are so cute. I love them. They remind me of the YSL. I was gonna buy the YSL ones, but it's just like $600. They're like $5.95 with tax is like $6.47. I don't think I could allow myself to spend that much money on a pair of sandals. Yeah, I would spend that money on shoes, but it would have to be shoes that are like versatile that I can wear all year long. Like my Gucci loafers or slippers, the Prince down ones, they're like my favorite shoes. I can wear them all year long. They're like the perfect airport shoes. Those I can see spending the money, but I don't know. YSL? Nah. I really love those flats though. I actually went, they were at TJ Maxx for like $3.99 or something. Ew, as you should. It's a look. Look at the screen. Say happy birthday to Monroe for me, please.
Happy birthday to Monroe for me, please.
Oh, now you're getting kicked out.
I want to see something that I might like, and it would be like ASOS Petite.
That's disappointing. Yeah, Rocky for today, guys. Super healthy.
And then like 2
Not
days
okay,
later,
okay.
the standard size.
Same thing with It's lunchtime, guys. Opo del Agua. Oh, we could probably sit out here.
We're eating.
Birthday girl is being a diva.
I'm a diva with a capital D.
Oh, wow.
With a double D.
Diva.
Yeah, God. I'm done. So done. I'm so over her, guys. So over it. Where am I?
Hi.
We're so cute.
Hi, cute.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Thanks, guys. Okay.
Got the water polo, guys. It's a hydrating juice. It's so cute.
Your thing gets a cute little thing on top. My thing don't get nothing.
Oh, our juice is so cute.
Oh. They don't care about me,
I'm
guys.
having El Diablo.
They said bitch you is over 30. It don't matter. He wanted detox juice. He got detox juice.
So good. Smoky. Our food is here, guys. I got fish tacos.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's got a fish taco as well.
I should have worn my tube bra.
It's boobies, though.
I don't think I have this tight with.
Let's go ham.
I don't know how your fish tacos are.
I hope they're good. Try that up a little bit.
Good? Ojo de agua. my favorite place that I've been in so far. It's Ojo de Agua. I love it. I can't believe this is our last full day in Tulum. I am so sad about it. We're going to go Tulum for like a beach day. Manuel and Danielle went to get some gelato. I was so full. Now I feel like I want some gelato. Okay, Posada Margarita, one of my favorite places ever. Hi, how are you? It's so pretty. Maybe I should show this outfit again over here, but I love where we shot this look. The divas. Birthday gal. Hi.
The girl next to the birthday girl.
I'm done. We're here. Go for Tulum.
My breath
Hey.
and up because of my breath.
I remember when I was wearing medium shirts.
Out of the way fast.
Yeah. It's been a great day at Xoxo Tulum. Drinks are okay, but we still had a good time though. Bathing suit is from Another Story. I got a size 4 if you're wondering. And yeah, it fits perfectly. I love it. Sun is riding down. Actually, it's pretty cloudy right now. About to head back to our hotel. And tonight we'll come back out to Casamata to celebrate Manuel's birthday. So, it's super exciting. Hello guys, it's nighttime now. I am wearing this dress from Zara. We headed to have Manuel's birthday dinner. She looks stunning. Can't wait to show you what she looks like. And this is my face. I've only filled in my eyebrows and put in a lip pencil because I just cannot be bothered to put any more makeup on. I am fed up with this heat. I don't even want to wear these shoes, honestly. I'm wearing these, and I think I'm just gonna put my Gucci shoes on. This is a mess, so oops. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna, actually I just want to wear flats, but I think I'll just wear these. These are cute. So, and these shoes are not comfortable at all. Yeah, let's go guys.
A las muchachas bonitas, hoy te lo cantamos
así. Good morning from paradise, guys. It's the most beautiful day. I feel like today it's not as hot as the other that we've been here, but that's probably because I am sitting here basking in this glorious AC. So yeah, I am probably wrong, and the door is right here. Actually, if I step outside, we will know. But the place is still pretty clean. We really didn't, you know, do anything bad. Look, I'm all packed up. I used to wait until the last minute, like the day of, to pack, but I don't do that anymore. I stopped doing that after many stressful travel situation where I wake up in the morning and I'm scrambling to find my things, and I'm like, I am never ever doing that again. I am understanding that preparation is key. If you don't plan, you plan to fail. So yeah, I've become a bit of a planner, which is great. I've always wanted to have some structure, and, you know, be a little bit more organized and planning. I still need to get a little bit more organized. So yeah, I am growing as a human being, and yeah, growth is essential. So yeah, I'm super happy about that. But the place is beautiful. I can't wait to come back. Honestly, this is where I'm coming for my honeymoon next year. I am super excited for that. Yeah, this is my airport outfit. Those denims are from Derek Lynn. Flats are from J. Crew. Don't know yet. I'm probably gonna change my flats. Belt from J. Crew. The top is from the That Shop. What is it called? Necessary Clothing. Because I love those, you know, V-shape kind of like wrap blouses. And I am all packed. I'm about to close my suitcase right now. I am thinking about leaving that umbrella, although I just bought it. But it doesn't really look like it rains here often. Yeah. So this one's a little pad. We've got this little outside area with a big little cacti. It's looking so cute. Got a little chair here. This is the biggest room, I believe, in the place. Yeah. Very excited. And guys, look at my new bag. Actually, Monroe bought this bag last year when she came and I fell in love with it. How cute is this? I honestly want to go to the market and get another one. But why don't we go down for brekkie? It's about to start right now at 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock. I mean, it's 8 o'clock now. But our flight is not until 12:55. But I do want to, I mean, we're leaving here at 9:30. Yeah. And the lighting is great, but my skin has been doing amazing. I got a little 10. It's not crazy as last year. I feel like last year I got a 10. Maybe I got a 9.5. No, I'm joking. Yeah, let's finish. Last day in paradise with the birds singing. I think you guys should go to my previous vlogs that I did last year so you could see what this place looked like. Now it's turned into this beautiful lounge area. And the kitchen downstairs, which you've seen in previous vlogs or in this vlog, but it's everything. I love it. This is where breakfast is going to be served, right below those canopies. And yeah, the sun is just blessing me one last time before go back to Gray, New York. Beautiful day. It's brekkie time, but the juice. Or some coffee. I love these cups. They're so cute.
Riley here.
Oh.
She said he needed
yours. Yo. Breakfast. Just so you know. Content queens over
This is
here.
actually really good.
I love it.
Because it like gets
Saying goodbye to paradise. Don't wanna go. But it's nice weather in New York. The guys here. Yeah, so it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place. Stopping at Del Cielo to grab something real quick on the way to the airport.